I think the industry's got some big challenges ahead. There's no two ways about it. Actually, many of the challenges that AIMCH was set up to tackle 3 or 4 years ago have got even bigger.
So AIMCH is a flagship project under the Transforming Construction programme. It's the one that we really use to help think about how the whole house building sector starts to adopt MMC faster.
We've been able to look at everything from modern methods of construction and how you industrialise it, to digital, to design, but really do it on some houses.
Well, AIMCH has meant a huge amount to our organisation, simply first of all because we're an SME, and SMEs are, after all, the engine room of the construction and house building sector. I think one of the key things for AIMCH is the good news story around about collaboration.
It sounds a bit cheesy, you know, collaboration is talked about a lot, but what I've seen over the last few years is true collaboration. Many people think that innovation is a cost, it's something that is a nice to have, but actually the findings of the study and the project are showing that it's a really important element. How do we de-risk delivery? How do we improve productivity? How do we make sure the quality is better?
AIMCH is already changing the industry by making it more aware of technologies that are available to the construction sector and how we can make real use of them to make positive change.
The AIMCH project has started to change industry because it's provided the evidence to compare directly traditional built homes alongside ones that have used modern methods of construction.
From this stage onwards, the technologies we've researched in this project will become our new standard way of working.
It's really allowed us to accelerate the work we've done for our house building operations and the transition to modern methods of construction, crane erect, panellised MMC systems. And for our timber frame operations, it's really accelerated our growth.
We've had a load of young engineers and young people in the project that have come through in the project and learned the things of the future that they will need to know. I think the second proudest thing is that we built the Z House, so it was the first zero carbon home to the new regulation.
I think our proudest achievement has been working with the partners on that whole culture change piece. So collaborating together to see their journeys grow in terms of innovation.
I think our next challenges are certainly going to be around energy and the sustainability of our homes.
But also the shift to off-site.
I think particularly for our project partners is taking the whole sustainability and decarbonisation of the built environment onto the next level, because it has to be done quickly.
What's next for industry is to learn from the outputs from AIMCH, between the productivity mapping, from the work that's been done in factory simulations.
Modern methods of construction are here to stay. The framework, the rule sets are there now, and we're going to see very rapid change over the next few years and huge improvements in productivity and the quality of the buildings that are delivered.